Hello, I'm Helen Hansen, Head of Marketing and Human Resources at 3D Deco. And today we're going to be looking behind the scenes at how a 3D artwork comes to life. From beginning, the inspiration, through to the actual final culmination. You, I'm sure by now, have already met Alosha Lynov, the CEO, and also the head designer here at 3D Deco. Now, Alosha is very, very inspired by nature. And if you know him personally, you will know that just about every weekend, if not then every other weekend, he will be out taking a hike somewhere in the mountains. And he's always bringing back these beautiful finds of different flowers or different plants. And he really likes to study them, taking different photos from really close up to further away, different angles, and looking at them from all these different perspectives. He has created these beautiful pieces that we are now setting up at different corporate events, different private functions, road shows, etc., etc. But now Alosha challenged himself recently, I'd say about a year or so ago, and he created an artwork, what we here at 3D Deco call a masterpiece, because all of our pieces thus far have really been on the large scale. The large wall sets, the ceiling-scapes, even the fans, and all the elements have really been large. So now he wanted to do the opposite and create a piece that was smaller but still had all these elements and that beautiful inspiration from those sacred geometric proportions of nature. And so the spira, the biospira and the octospira were birthed. And he's used on one particular piece 7 different layers, which was quite a challenge to get through exactly what he was seeing with these geometric proportions. For example, on the one cactus plant, to take that and interpret that in an art form with stretch fabric. But everything starts with a pencil drawing. So let's go take a look at the start of the spira of pencil on paper. Here you see Alosha sketching the spiral on the grid paper using tracing paper and very accurately portraying the Fibonacci sequence. And now you can see it has been taken to the next level where he is working in a 3D software program, and it is now becoming a render and it's getting more life. There is movement, there are different angles, different perspectives that he gets to work with in this particular program. And here we have the final piece, the culmination of what started as an inspiration out in nature, observing and admiring a beautiful plant and their geometric proportions therein. And here we see this interpretation of Alosha's come to life with 7 layers of stretch. And of course, it could be done with different colors. One could add lights, it could be larger or smaller, but he's really taken what one has been experiencing, as I said earlier, on the large scale and brought it down. So now one has this beautiful stretch expression as an artwork, which you could have on your wall. You could have on the ceiling with a light in the middle and make it more of a light feature. This biospira is designed using 10 Fibonacci spirals, and the Fibonacci spiral is used in so many of our great art and architectural features throughout the world. If one goes to see ancient mosaics or the cathedrals and temples, mosques, when one looks up above and even down below, those beautiful patterns and designs were inspired by the same sequence as the biospira. So thank you for watching, and in our next series we're going to be sharing with you some more of Alosha's latest creations, which is going to be quite exciting. So please do keep a lookout for that.